After making so many excuses, after wasting so much time, finally I have decided to start my content creation journey. I have struggled a lot to reach at this point of moment. Hello everyone, I am the real Nikhil and I have started a challenge of 40 days of self-improvement, and I would be recording myself and tracking my journey and my progress over the period of time to view a movie of myself at the end. For me, if I have tried and done more than 60% of my plannings, then that would be enough for me, at least, because I believe that doing something is better than doing nothing, at least for the initial days of my progress. So I am preparing for IIT and today is the starting point of my journey. I had to study a lot. So that was all about it. We'll see how far I have reached till now, like from now, like till the end of my exam. So thought of the day. You're always ahead and better than those people who are just thinking and not doing anything, just laying on the bed. At least you're trying. And I wanna share you an interesting thing. 2 months ago from now, I was thinking about doing about content creation. I have learned from the many different creators in the Instagram and YouTube. That time I was just thinking and not starting. Also when I was starting, I was not completing it. But today everything is happening what I have thought 2 months ago, exactly same to same as I thought, and it has been happening since my childhood. Whatever I think, it just happens. I don't know why, but it just happens, and it will be always happening in the future also. In this journey my day would look like this. Hey, no, come here. Hey. I don't know why people waste this water. Just see the water is flowing. They're not turning it off. Same thing there.